Someone mentioned that they would like to see how I did the little hands for my Ghostbusters marshmallows that I'm making, Ghostbusters Afterlife. So very easy. Took some Sculpti, broke it into little pieces, rubbed it in my fingers to make these little finger sticks, basically, I guess is what you would call them. So I take one. Now the Ghostbusters the marshmallows only have 4 fingers. So technically 3 fingers and a thumb, I guess it would be. So take the different ones, about 3 of them, kind of mush them together a little bit. Take a 4th that's a thumb. Doesn't really matter the sizes. The thumb I just stick on top like that. I take the long piece, I wrap it around so that you kind of have that hand shape. I take these little tools that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's like a whole pack of different ones for $1, obviously. Stick that in the palm. So now I have a palm. So I go to the back side, now that it's on this little piece, and I just kind of smear it, blend it, I guess is what you would call it. So I just blend it all the way around. Hopefully you can see that, what I'm doing there. It's pretty self-explanatory though. Kind of come up here where the fingers are, do the same thing so that you don't have 3 separate pieces, but more like a hand. This is just kind of quick and dirty, so this one's probably not going to be as good, and it's really far away from me so that I can film it. So there I have my basic hand shape. Take my fingers, bend them over. Don't want them pointy, so I kind of get rid of that pointiness on that one. Bend all 3 fingers over. Then I take another one of those tools. It's got a flat side on it like that. Hold these in place with my thumb. Then I go across here and I put on little knuckles. You just kind of push it into the clay. Do the same thing on the thumb. Push it in. Position them the way I want them. Take that off, and there I have the fingers and the little thumb and palm of the hands. Now for this little bottom piece on there, that's going to go onto the hand itself. It's also kind of a little stand, so for that, didn't already have that ready. Just take another little piece, round it in your hand, mush it. Take this, stick it approximately in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then I take this tool and I just kind of push the clay down into the other clay all the way around. So that it's all one piece. So there you go. That's all done. Now I can do the thumb, whatever I want to do with the thumb. Some of them I have done, you know, little weird thumbs. Some I've done like they're hitchhiking little thumbs. Some I've just done like they've got a little fist. You got to remember, for every right-handed one you make, you have to make a left-handed one. Some of them I've done, I don't know, like that's the hook 'em horns or something right there. So basically, this is nowhere near finished, but these are going to be their arms for the Marshmallow Man. So I'm just going to take these hands and attach them on here like that. And that's all there is to that. And you just follow the directions for the Sculpti, which is a bake thing. Once you bake it, it's hard and it'll be something I can just glue on. So there you go. Yay, hands.